Hey, what is up? This is Tyler Pratt. In this video, I want to talk to you about high quality backlinks and how it's consistently bringing in $1,000 per month for me every month. I'm going to give you the website that I get my backlinks from, and I'm also going to tell you about the offer that I use to get this and the kind of the system, kind of the way I do it online. But before we do that, I want you to hit the subscribe button. That way you get notified of all the videos that I come out with on a daily basis. So really what you want to do is you want to be online and you want to become a total boss of your life. And that's what we do online. That's why we come online. We try to make money. We try to use all of these tools that we have. So you want to become a total boss, and that's what I try to do for you right here on this video and this channel. So becoming, really getting backlinks to an offer is it's actually kind of simple, but I recommend that what you want to do is you want to outsource this. Okay, now here's what I do. I have a video online. It's a health and related video. And what I do is I get backlinks to this health video. It's on YouTube, and I get backlinks to this video. And when I get backlinks to this video, it shows Google that this video is kind of popular. It shows Google and YouTube that this video is popular out on the internet. Because what happens is Google has it's like a little spider that goes out to the internet, and it just kind of spins around and it looks for all of these links that are linking to sites. And since Google started day one, the way they've done their search results, so when you go to Google and you type in something and you get results on the first page, is they're putting links on the first page based on the amount of links that are linking to that website or to that video. Because Google is saying if there's a lot of links, a lot of quality links that are linking to a website or linking to a video, they're saying, hey, this is a popular video because people are recommending this particular website or this video. So that's what I've done with this health related video. Okay, so I've taken a health related video. All I did was I had slides that showed people how to how to lose weight quickly, how to use different exercises to lose weight. And what I've done is I've placed a link below the video to an offer that's a health related offer, and it just helps them really lose weight, to use a product to lose weight. So what I've done is I've gone to ClickBank, and I've used ClickBank affiliate marketing, and I've used the Venus Factor offer there. I don't know if you're familiar with it. If you haven't, Venus Factor is a very good offer. It's been around for a long time. It's a very good weight loss offer. Now, most people that are into weight loss are going to be women. I know men are into it, but mostly it's going to be women. So Venus is going to target mostly women. So the link is going to go there, and it's going to target mostly women there. Now men could buy it, but it's mostly going to gear towards women. It's a very unique niche. It's a very unique video and a very unique offer. Okay. Now here's what I've done. Right, I've had the video. I have the slides that I've created with the video. I have the link ready to go in the description. Now what you have to do is you have to really go out there and get this video popular. You have to get this video ranked inside of YouTube. Also get it ranked on Google. So Google actually take your videos from YouTube and they'll place it onto Google's search results. So what you want to do is you want to get these videos popular. You want to get them up there, and you want to get them ranking. And Google's only going to rank videos, and they're going to rank it in the search engines based on the amount of people that are linking to that site. Now you can go out there and you can do it yourself. And if you're really skilled at SEO and backlinks, you could do it yourself. But I don't recommend you doing it because it's very tedious. It's very hard. And if you don't really have everything in order, you could get penalized from Google. And Google will actually slap you, and they won't even link your videos, and they won't even link your website. So what I recommend you doing is you going over to a website called SEO Clerk. So it's SEOclerk.com. Okay, go to that website. You can search for it on Google. If you go there and you find different vendors who are really skilled at backlinks, they're very skilled at SEO. So what I've done is I've gone to SEO Clerk. I've found a couple of vendors who do backlinks. And what I've done is particularly look for vendors who do social links. Now I know that you can use a lot of blogs and things like that, but I like social links. These are links from Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, Pinterest, places like that. Those are what I like right now. I think they just give a lot more authority, I feel, to the videos and the links that I have out there. So find vendors on SEO Clerk that that will do social signals for you. And when you do that, then you're going to get with them. You're going to send them your link, and they're going to go off and they're going to start to promote your link on their social signal network that they have. And I like this because it's just the newest kind of backlink things that's going on in today's time, right? A few years ago, it was all the blogging networks, and you just had this whole ring of this circle of blogging networks, and you linked them together. So I like social signals now. Now I didn't start off with my video and it didn't magically all of a sudden shoot straight up and get all this tremendous amount of traffic. It took some time to really build this up. But after a few months of building this up, then what it is it's passive income that comes in, because now the video is ranked really high. It's ranked in Google, so it gets all this traffic. It gets all of this tremendous traffic on the search results inside of YouTube. So now it's just passive income coming in. People watch the video, they click on the link, they go to my affiliate link, and they buy the product. Okay, so then there's income coming in every month to my Venus Factor offer at ClickBank. Okay, so I get basically money from ClickBank. They pay me out every 2 weeks. So if you haven't gone to ClickBank, just go there, pick up the Venus offer. So here's how you do it, right? All you're gonna do is you can create a video around the niche. So it could be fitness, it could be marketing, anything like that. And then you're going to make sure you have your affiliate link in the description below the video. That way, when you're done with the video, you can say, hey, click on the link, go to the affiliate link that you have, okay? You gotta have that. Now, once you set up the video and the link in the description, then it's time to go off and start promoting this new video. And the way you do that is you go to SEO Clerks, you find a good vendor there that will do social signals, okay? Social signals. Now you can go do blog networks and all that. Like private blog networks, you'll see PBN, private blog networks, but you want social signals. Just to me, it seems like it just helps a lot more. And so what you're gonna do is you're gonna be working with these vendors, and you're gonna keep getting your links, and you keep giving that same link to your description, your video. You just keep getting your link to them, and they'll keep adding more social links, and then eventually those social links will start to get out there, and Google will see them. Then they'll start ranking that video, and then you're going to shoot straight up into the search results of both YouTube and Google, and you're going to get a ton of traffic. And when you get thousands and thousands of hits watching that YouTube video, they're going to click on the description. You're going to make it huge amount of affiliate commissions from that. Okay, so there you go. Hey, if you like this video, click on the like. Also share it with your friends. Let them know that you got some value out of it. Comment below. Let me know how I can help your business. So this is Tyler Pratt. Hope you enjoyed that, and we will see you on the next one.